I'm working on C. He is a 13-year-old Polish Arabian, and I'm just going to start from the beginning. I haven't seen him in quite a bit of time, so I'm just going to, evaluate him. I'm also going to use this Pure Wave massager. It is a massage gun that I like to use on every horse if they like it, so we'll just see. I haven't used it on him before, so we'll just see what he does. Okay, so I like to start with a really low vibration, and vibration is actually the deepest form of massage, and so I do like to warm up their muscles so that I don't have to work as hard. So that's why I use it. A lot of horses really like it, but he is a little wary, and that's okay. He's allowed to be wary. Hi, do you want to check this out, buddy? You see it? Now it might be too much for him to handle since he hasn't worked with me for a while and I haven't seen him, but we'll see what we can do. See if he likes it. Yeah, he's a good boy. Sure. Yeah. Oh. And a lot of times I use this as an evaluation because they'll flinch away when it's really sore, or they'll really get into it in a different, in a spot of a decent amount of tension. So I do like to use this just to warm up their muscles. Go a little stronger. Yeah, let's just see what he gives me. Now, I was called in to work on his haunches. So we'll see what he gives me. Sometimes the haunches aren't always the problem and it's the neck or the back, but I'm guessing his haunches are gonna be tight. So that's what we worked on whenever I did him last. So yeah, we'll see what he does. He loves to do lots of trail riding and endurance kind of stuff, and then just hang out with his dad. So he's a very sweet boy, aren't you? Aren't you, Mr. C? Yeah. Aren't you? Yeah, he's a good boy. See if we have anything up here. Now, just feeling him, he's a little tight, but that might just have something to do with how he's not exactly comfortable with me going up near his neck and his head. So that's okay, he's allowed. Oh, he's a good boy. So I just go slowly. Yeah, oh, it's okay. I go slowly. And we just see what we can get. There we go. And he's being very brave for his first time with the massage gun. Yeah, you're a good boy. You're such a good boy. On his wither areas, which is where our rhomboids, close to our rhomboid muscles. Rhomboids are here. Just see what we have in the back. Ooh, a lot of horses love getting their back done with this because it just opens up their back muscles and releases them, and they just get a lot happier. So when I go a little deeper on their back, they're like, okay, I've warmed up already. I can handle this. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah, it's good boy. Check out all these muscles. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Now this spot can be sensitive. It's where that girth area is. It's also the thoracic serratus muscle that comes down here. and it can be quite sensitive sometimes, and you tend to see that with girthy horses. Those muscles are constricted and they just need to be released, and a lot of times the girth, the crankiness with horses that have girth issues are just disappear pretty quickly if they loosen up that area. Good. Do you want me to just keep? Okay. So we're gonna go into this haunch area where his dad was like, he's definitely a little tight back there. So I'm just gonna work on this area, see if we can get some loosening, get him happier. And then you can always check out what he's doing on his face, because he'll tell you what's really going on. Oh, he's a good boy. Yeah. See if we have to loosen up those. I'm guessing we're going to have to really work on those hamstring muscles, the semimembranosus and the semitendinosus. Go down the back of the leg, and so he's flinching a little bit. It just tells me, okay, that's a little ouchy. We can work on that. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. And so he's very aware of what I'm doing, but he's not unhappy about it. So that's super.
As a wrap-up, this is Mel Hitchcock with Mel's Equestrian Services. I love to help you and your horse succeed through equine massage, professional body clipping, and dressage training. You can find me on my website at melsequestrianservices.com, as well as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Mel's Equestrian Services. I hope you take a look and have a wonderful day.